How to know who viewed your featured collections on Facebook? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to know who viewed your featured collections on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch Facebook app on your device and make sure that you have signed into your account. Navigate to 3-bar menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Once you reach on menu page, tap on profile at top of your screen. Once you land on your profile page, you can easily see your featured collections. You simply need to find your featured collection and tap on it. At bottom left corner, you can easily see the number of viewers, that is 2. You can tap on 2 viewers and a menu will pop out where you can only see 1 viewers. So you can see 1 featured viewer. That means this is the others viewer. One featured viewer means non-friends or public viewers have seen your featured collection. So one is the followers and other is the non-followers or not friend of yours who have viewed your featured collections on Facebook. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.